Welcome to Grace Heads, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and automotive reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2025 Vortex X1, an innovative vehicle that's creating waves in the automotive world. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone looking for your next ride, the Vortex X1 brings a unique set of features that you won't want to miss. The 2025 Vortex X1 is a futuristic SUV that promises to redefine the driving experience. Its sleek design, advanced tech, and high-performance specifications make it stand out in a crowded market. At the heart of the Vortex X1 is a powerful hybrid engine that offers impressive fuel efficiency and acceleration. The vehicle is equipped with both electric and gasoline powertrains, providing drivers with the flexibility to switch between eco-friendly and traditional driving modes depending on their preferences. This hybrid system not only optimizes fuel consumption but also reduces emissions, making it a perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers. One of the key features of the Vortex X1 is its state-of-the-art infotainment system. The vehicle is outfitted with a large touchscreen display that integrates seamlessly with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's designed to keep you connected while you're on the road with real-time navigation, voice-activated controls, and access to your favorite apps. The interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy to operate even while driving. The interior of the Vortex X1 offers comfort and luxury, with premium materials used throughout. The cabin is spacious, featuring a modern design with leather upholstery and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort during long drives, and the cabin is equipped with soundproofing materials to ensure a quiet and peaceful ride. Additionally, the Vortex X1 offers a generous amount of cargo space, making it an ideal choice for families or individuals who need extra room for luggage or gear. Safety is a top priority in the Vortex X1. The vehicle is equipped with the latest advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. It also features a comprehensive suite of sensors and cameras that provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. The Vortex X1 is also expected to receive top ratings in crash safety tests, further enhancing its appeal as a family-friendly vehicle. Performance-wise, the Vortex X1 delivers a smooth and responsive ride, thanks to its finely tuned suspension system and all-wheel drive capabilities. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrain, this vehicle is built to handle a variety of driving conditions with ease. The hybrid engine provides a quick acceleration and a smooth, quiet driving experience, making it a joy to drive on both short and long trips. In conclusion, the 2025 Vortex X1 is a well-rounded vehicle that blends technology, performance, and safety in a stylish package. Its hybrid powertrain, advanced features, and modern design make it an attractive option for those in the market for a new car. If you're interested in keeping up with the latest reviews, specs, and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to Grace Heads. We bring you the best content on all things tech and auto, so stay tuned for more updates.